Alright, in this tutorial we're going to go over how menus work in the BeachBody Coach theme. By default, the BeachBody Coach theme uses the pages that you have on your site as the menu options that are available. So I have already clicked the site is ready to go live option here, and I'm going to go ahead and hit refresh, and you'll see that I have this set up to using the pages that I have on my blog. Now, one thing you'll notice is it says home here instead of about me, and that is because I have on the page editor for the about me page the title and menu set to home. I can also choose not to show it, as well as choose not to show the title on the page, and you'll notice that if I click update here and then go back to my page and hit refresh, you'll see that the menu item up here goes away for home, and then the title of the page went away as well. So I'm going to go ahead and set everything back to normal, and you will see how everything gets updated. Now you'll notice that the sample page right here is set up as before the blog. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to edit this page right here. And then you'll notice why. It's because I've set the order to -1. By default on a page, WordPress puts in 0 as the order. Because the About page is listed as the home page in the reading and permalink section, it is always going to show up first because it's set up as the home page. And then everything else is going to go by that order field on the page editor. And since the sample page is an order of -1, it will show up before blog, which has an order of 0. So that's the default way that WordPress does its menus. I'm going to go ahead and show you also the other way that WordPress does its menus using the menus editor, which is in under the appearance tab. So we're going to go over to appearance, we're going to click on menus. And if you create a menu here, it's going to override the default WordPress stuff that's built into the BeachBody theme, and it will use the menus. So I'm going to create a menu that's called Main Menu. Go over here and click Create Menu. And then you'll notice now that this theme locations box popped up, and the BeachBody Coach theme is set up to allow for one configurable menu, which goes across the top header bar. So I'm going to click Main Menu to choose that and click Save. And then I'm going to go ahead and start adding things. So I'm going to add a custom menu item, which will link to the BeachBody website or my coach website. I'm going to choose the 3 pages that I have in here. And I'm also going to choose, I've got a category set up for my blog for fitness. I'm going to go ahead and add that to the menu. Now you see that all of them have showed up on the site over here. And if I were to click Save Menu here, once it refreshes, we'll go over to the site and see how it behaves. You know, and they're in the order that I set them up here. Now I want to make my Beachbody one the last one, and I want to make fitness a submenu of the blog, and I'm just going to rearrange them this way, and I'm going to make the sample page. Actually, you know what? I want to remove sample page, so I'm just going to click remove here, and it goes away. Now, it will tell you on this right hand side what type of menu item it is. These 2 are pages. This is a blog category, and this is a custom one. Now you can modify how the label works. Let's say I want to do all mine in capitalization or caps. And I want to make this one fitness. And adding these title attributes does help with your search engine optimization, so you do want to do that. And then I'm going to go ahead and change this one to say home. And I'm going to leave the title blank on that one. So now if I save the menu, and then we go reload your page here, you'll see that home is set up, blog, I can have the sub menu of fitness, and then Beachbody will launch me to a different page. So that's a quick overview of how menus work in the Beachbody Coach theme. You can reorganize, you can add as many custom links as you want, like let's say you want to link to a specific blog entry. So I'm going to go over here and open up a new tab, and I'm going to go into the Hello World one, and I'm going to grab the URL for this real quick. And let's say I wanted to add that as a custom menu option here. And I'm just going to say, oops, I need to make that all caps, don't I? And I'm going to go ahead and add that. And since it's under the fitness category, I'm going to go ahead and make it a sub-menu of fitness and click Save. Once that's done saving, I'm going to go over here, I'm going to hit refresh. And you notice my Hello World one shows up over on the right hand side. So cool. That's it for menus. Look forward to hearing from you as you use the Beachbody Coaches theme, and we'll be coming back with one more video on how to do ads within the Beachbody Coaches theme. Thank you very much.